Mikhmon Online Integration Guide Step 1. When you have processed the order and sent your email address, we will send you a URL link to the Mikhmon domain address that you will use later. As an example in the following image, please provide your Winbox login password via chat or email. If you don't know where the Winbox password is, here's an example image. If the Winbox password has been provided, we will send the integration script and remote public URL via email or chat. For example, the following image, STEP2. Open the URL link that we have sent for the next integration process. Here's what it looks like when the link is opened. Enter username, Mikhmon and password, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's what it looks like when you've logged in. Select Add Router. Fill in according to the following image guide. Copas put it in IP_Mikrotik remote URL. Put the Winbox username and password in Mikhmon's username and password. Copy the DNS name Hotspot Mikrotik to the DNS name Mikhmon. Adjust your DNS name Mikrotik. If everything has been filled in, select Save. The following is an example of what the Mikhmon integration form looks like. STEP3. Copy and paste the script that we have sent via email to the Winbox terminal. Here's an example image. If it has been copied, go to Winbox, select Terminal, click the Terminal column, then paste and press Enter. Here's an example image. Finished Mikhmon. You can use it wherever you are connected to the internet.